Hi, my name is Joshua from Tag. In today's video, we'll continue with the practical examples on data operators in R. We have done something on arithmetic operators, assignment operators, and so today we'll learn more on the relational operators. So let's quickly go to R Studio platform, and our code stops at where we did something last on that of the assignment operators. So what we are dealing is very simple relational operators, and these are operators in R that helps to relate two variables together or two values together. So let's just have a simple example. When we say 2 and we are trying to get a relationship that will give us in the end a logical response between 2 and 3. And so what we're seeing here is that 2 is less than 3. So it will print true if what we have on the left hand side is truly lesser than what we have on the right hand side. So if I run this, it gives me true because of a truth 2 is less than 3. And so we could also have a situation where I'm saying the reverse, 2 is greater than 3. So here is going to give me something known as false because 2 is definitely not greater than 3. So we can also have a scenario where we would be saying 2 is less than or equals to 3. Now take a look at this part very well. Two conditions are combined: less than or equals to 3. And so let's break it down. 2, we agreed, is lesser than 3, but 2 is not equals to 3. So but one condition is fulfilled. We'll still see that when we get to the level of logical operators. So in this place, I'm expecting something true. So if I say 2 is greater than or equal to 3, and look at what I'm expecting. I'm expecting something false because none of the conditions are fulfilled. 1, 2 is not greater than 3, and so the second condition is that 2 is not even equals to 3. So that's why we have the result as false. So if I'm to say not equals to in R, I can say 2 not equals to, I hold the shift key and then I press 1. So this is not equals to 3. If I run this, I have my result as true. That is, of the truth, 2 is not equals to 3. So I can also have, I've cited that example in the previous video. So I can say 2 is equals to 2. So what I'm trying to do here is that I'm just trying to say the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So I can say the equation is balanced. So if I run this, I am expecting to have true as my result. So it's also possible we have in this place, we can be making some kind of comparison, and I can say not equals to, and then I can just put true. Not equals to true, and what we are doing here is that we are negating true. So we are saying we are expecting our result to be 4. So we have created a variable. Let's see how it works with the variable. The same way it works with that of the arithmetic, and then that of the relational that we are looking at right now. So I'm going to say price, and then I'm going to say price less than price new. So if I run this, let's see what my result will give me. So it's saying true, true, true. That is, let's use this. So this is price less than price new. 2 is less than 5 is correct. 3 is lesser than 6 is true. 4 is less than 7 is true. So but the reverse will be the case. If I change this sign from less than and I say greater than, it's not possible. So it's still going to go ahead with that column wise relationship check, giving us this logical output: false, false, false. So I can also say greater than or equals to, and then I hope you understand that we have false, 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 because none of the condition here with greater than or equals to is actually fulfilled or correct. So I can say less than or equals to. So here I'm expecting true too, because one of the condition is fulfilled, which is less than, though they are not equals to the values we have in price name. So if I say not equals to and I run this, you could see I have true, because they are not similar values, they are different. So 2 is not equals to 5, this is not equals to 6, 4 is not equals to 7. So these are simple examples that we have when we are talking about relational operators. So let me just play around and just give us an example. We'll see this as we proceed. Let's take, for instance, I have salaries. I have salaries as a variable, and I use the vector function to combine salaries of my workers together. Somebody takes 100 euro and somebody takes 20 euro, 30 euro, 50 euro, 70 euro, 85 euro, and 45 euro, and 95 euro. Eight of them. So if I run this, I have salaries as values from 100, 20, 30, 50, 70, 85, 45, and 95. So for instance, I want to do some kind of funny operation. So I can say salaries. I want to index salaries that are greater than 50. So look at what I'm going to do. I'll say salaries, and then I will use this square bracket, and then I'll say salaries again that are greater than 50. So if I run this, I only have 100, 70, 85, and 95. So 50 is excluded. Why? Because the condition we supplied for indexing is salaries greater than 50. So situation where I want to include 50, I'll say salary greater than or equals to 50. So I just put the equal to sign and then I run this. So 50 is included. At the same time, I can write this code all over again and say, I just want to know people in my organization whose salary is lesser than 50. So what I will say is I'll supply again this condition, salaries that is lesser than 50. And so if I run it, there are just 3 people. Oh, maybe I want to upgrade their payments. Maybe I want to add like 10 euro to their fee. And so I just need to find out how many people falls into this category. And they are just 3 in number. You see, 50 is also excluded here because we are saying lesser than 50. So if you want 50 to be included, just as we did for the greater than, you just say less than or equals to 50. So these are areas where we'll be applying some of this basic knowledge. I'm doing this so that when we get to some advanced level, we'd always have something to fall back on, and we would have a situation where we won't be having much questions and I don't understand this part, non-capisco, we won't be having that. So if you're watching this video for the first time, please, I know you have gained something from this video. Please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get the first time notification anytime I share a video on my channel. And I want to say a big thank you to you for your time. God bless you. Bye bye.